I'm pretty new to the hand tool world, and I want to learn more about, use and, what should I buy? Should I buy a 62 or should I buy a 60 and a half? And you can come in here and test them and put your hands on them and ask people, that make them.
Yeah. It's like test driving a car. You can only get so much from looking at a picture. I think the biggest selling point of your tools especially is just feeling them.
See the fit and finish for yourself. I mean, if you're going to pop down the money for $300-400 on a nice set of tools, whether it's a nice set of chisels or a plane, you want to see the fit and finish and just marvel at the quality, that what you're getting, because the last thing you want to do is get it and then have to ship them back. Why waste the money, why waste the time? And this is a headache.
Where it's got this rippling effect to it, that's going to tear out very easily. So if I'm roughing it down and trying to get it leveled out quickly, the heavier the cut I take, the more work I'm doing.
And I wanted to actually put to use some of the tools that I don't have, like that handsaw back there. That's the major reason I came here. And then I found out there were a few other people vending as well, and I wanted to see what their equipment looked like as well. But I'm an avid Nielsen fan, and that's what really brought me here.
So what's the furthest you've ever traveled for one of the tool shows?
I just drove up here from San Diego, and we're in Seattle now, so what's that, 1,400 miles?